gotta ask the question first. What's the question? What's the question?
Ask girls. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
What day is it?
What does the fox say?
Loki, come back. He answered it and ran. Loki.
Louder this time, girls.
Loki.
Not yet, when he comes back.
That was uncalled for. Tell him.
Whoa.
Tell him. Good. Come here.
He's running away.
Loki.
Why is everyone looking at me?
Told you we can't make him do anything. Come. Come on. He gets so excited. Loki. Get over here. Loki. Come here. Sit. Thank you.
Yeah, I made it.
Tell him. Do some more. Good. 28 different vocalizations. How many different ones are you hearing right now?
Maybe 3.
Yep, about 3. I think when we hear them around, I can identify about 6. I don't know what they all mean, but see, there's 2 different ones right there. Keep going. Good boy. I like the yip when he yips. And then his favorite thing in the world to do, guys, is pounds. Did anybody here see our video? So go to Turtle Bay's YouTube channel, and we videoed him talking. And pass it on. It's gone like pseudo viral. It's got about 250,000 hits. We want it to go more, so go pass it out. So, but we did it. This is what we did with him. Come here. This is what he loves to do more than anything. Loki, pounce for him. I know. Good. Pounce. This is his favorite behavior. We did not train this behavior. We did what we call captured it. So he does it all the time on his own, and then we just started rewarding it, and now he does it because he'll get a reward, but he does it anyway. So anyone who says that we make him, it's like, I don't pretty much make him do anything. Good job, bud. So they do that pouncing in order to catch food under snow. So it's a natural behavior. He's been doing it. I've been with him since he was 6 weeks old. I have videoed him doing it as a little kid, all on his own, and we're like, we need that behavior on cue, because he does it all the time. So then that's when we capture it.
Is kit the word for a baby fox?
Yes, baby fox kid. Then the other thing they do is they're able to jump in the air, leap straight in the air in order to catch birds out of the air, kind of like this. Loki. I'm over here.
Whoa.
You liked it, Loki, but you didn't hit it.
I like this one.
Good boy. So, in the wild they do that and they catch birds right out of the air by leaping straight like that. All right, Loki, tell him one more time. Up here, Lokes. Up here, tell him, what does the fox say? Tell him. What does he say?
What does the fox say?
What does the fox say? I don't think it sounds anything like ding-a-ling-a-ling-a, whatever. I don't know about the rest of you, but. That's what they say, you guys. Lots of little hums and growls and gurgles and twirls and then yips. Lots of types of yips. He does. I know like 2 or 3 different yips that he does. Yip for us. You're so cute. Yip for us. Yip. Good. That's what I like. Sounds like a small dog, doesn't he?
Yes, he does.
Yeah, I'm recording.
And he does an alarm call. We hear him do an alarm call when he gets scared. Notice I'm cueing with this hand and he's looking at this one with the phone. Here, that one's gone. Do it. Do it in.
Oh my gosh, that was a little.
All right, good boy. Come down here. Come here, bud. Loki, come. Show him some agility. Come here.
He's acting like a dog.
He smells he must have dropped a piece. Or he thinks I dropped a piece.